What's up, Silky Smooth Gang? Back at you guys with another video. Yes sir, we finally got all the cars moved and got the doors in the garage, guys. So I'm getting ready to sand these things down. I'm not gonna bore y'all too much with me sanding them down, but I'm gonna show y'all the beginning and just a little bit of bits and clips here and there of what's going on. So y'all can see, look, that's a big dent right there. I'm gonna try to pull most of these dents out, guys. And then, of course, we gotta do body filler. I don't know why people act like they're not using body filler no more on these old cars. Cause y'all are. It's no way to get this metal that freaking straight that you're not using body filler. But we're gonna use the good stuff. It's fiberglass infused. Where is it at? It's somewhere up there. Y'all see that? Fiberglass. We're gonna use the good stuff, guys. But we're gonna knock them out as far as we can get them. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll get right into this video right after this intro. Right, Angel? Come here.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Man, I was jamming out. I almost forgot to turn y'all back on. But anyway, so we got most of this door knocked down. I don't know if I want to just go all the way to bare metal on this or not. We'll find out. But as y'all can see, like where the scratches and where the moldings was at, I really concentrated on them areas, and then we're gonna block it. So we haven't blocked it yet, y'all. Don't panic. But see, like right here where a big scratch was at. So all of this was a big scratch. So we knocked all that out. That way you won't be able to see that through the paint. This was a bad area. We knocked all of that out, so you won't be able to see it through the paint. Do I need to repeat it again? Y'all know what I'm saying. But anyways, I need to hit that a little bit more. Well, really you can't feel it, but I think I'm gonna hit that a little bit more. And we'll go ahead and jump over to this side. We'll knock this one down a little bit, and we'll keep it moving. Let's turn that music back on. Honestly, I don't even know where I left off at, but let's get this door knocked down. And then also the moldings, I'm gonna cut this off. I'm gonna cut all of this off, because I'm not really worried about that. We'll get it sanded down. Alright guys, I pulled out some 120. We're gonna go ahead and hit both doors with 120. I'm gonna try to get some more of these deep scratches out, and we'll keep it moving. Guys, I think that was enough work for tonight. We'll jump back on it tomorrow. I'm on days off, guys, so I will be back recording more. But we got all the hard areas knocked out. It's just technique, guys. I mean, you just gotta do it. Find you an old fender, find you an old door or something, and just really get the technique down of where you need to push down and where you need to stay flat at. It's just all technique, guys. It's you get all this off of experience. Cause I know when I started, it was just flat, 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 flat. But you can't stay flat in areas like this. You have to get that out and feather the edges. You see the edges? And I did all this with a machine, not a block. So, I mean, you gotta learn, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. We'll get these things wrapped up, and y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.